Moisturizing Lotion. Restore hydration and strengthen dry, damaged hair using this daily moisturizing lotion featuring a lightweight formula for daily use that helps fight frizz and leave hair noticeably healthier. For wet or dry hair. Lightweight blend of cocoa butter, wheat protein, jojoba and olive oils enriched with almond proteins and avocado oils for increased moisture and shine. Ideal for twist-outs, wash and go and other natural hairstyles. Fight Breakage. This hair lotion revitalizes dry waves, curls, and coils without weighing hair down and restores hydration to the hair shaft, sealing the cuticle to prevent breakage. Sulfate-free formula with no parabens. Great for dry hair. Specifically formulated for wavy, curly, coily and kinky textured hair from normal to dry, and color-treated hair or chemically relaxed textures to revitalize the hair's natural luster. Design Essentials. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful and confident. With over 30 years experience, trust Design Essentials to empower you to look and feel your best. Every purchase is backed by the Design Essentials guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. I like it. I liked everything about it. The moisturizing, the scent and the price is not bad.